Guys, you see in this world, some people actually feels more superior than others. And I don't get it, especially white people. White people honestly feel like we blacks, I don't know how these people are seeing us. You see this video playing right here. I'm going to play this video for you guys. But first of all, I want to address this. I was coming back from school run, so my tummy was rumbling, and I decided to park by Clicks. And I gave my child my car, that's Madane, to go and buy me something. She was going there and she mistakenly stepped on this white girl. The next thing, this girl dragged my daughter back. Zita did not even notice that she stepped on her. And the next thing, she spoke Afrikaans, asking Zita, why did you step on me? She spoke it in Afrikaans, and Zita said, Ndo. Because she's not a white. You spoke Afrikaans and she spoke her language. If you wanted her to use a general language, you that spoke Afrikaans first would have said, why did you step on me? You would have speak English. I don't know if you guys are comprehending, but this girl, not a lady, she's a small girl, she's just tall. This girl spoke Afrikaans to Zite, and Zite said Ndo in Igbo. That was Zite's offense. If Zite wants to go, this girl, just wait. Zite!
Yes, Mom.
Bia. If Zite wants to go, she keep dragging Zite back. You're gonna watch the video. Come here. Explain to your uncles and aunties what happened.
Okay. Uncles and aunties.
Have you greeted them?
Uncles and aunties, ndewo. Mcholigwa ono iyemeno. So my mom's tummy was disturbing her, so she sent me to Clicks to go and buy something. I was walking past a white lady, and No, a girl. And I accidentally stepped on her foot, and I didn't notice. She pulled me back by my t-shirt and asked me why I stepped on her foot in Afrikaans.
Okay.
Msia undo.
Osia undo.
Oh, now see more again. He said, hey, why did you step on my foot again in Afrikaans? Msia intia na chigu msiki undo.
It's not the antia bichia. Sorry.
Oh, you muranya up and down.
Onega up and down. You go sinegia.
See me that Muaga confessed to Mamaya for stepping on the foot. You see?
Confess to Mamaya.
Onya,
like seriously, you guys, you know why I actually stepped down from my car? Because I've looked at that girl. Even though that she's tall, I know that Zite can still when it comes to, I know, because the car is sick. But why I actually jumped down with my tummy that was hurting me was when I saw the younger sister rush to their car to go and call their mother. You understand? Even at a point, their father still, their in-law, the man said it's the in-law, not the father. Their in-law still came. You understand? So when the woman jumped down from the car and said, I jumped down myself. But as God may have it, when the woman saw me, she respected herself. Because I don't understand. Somebody spoke her language and this person is expecting another person not to speak her own language. Imagine. So guys, I don't know, just watch this video and see how I handled the whole thing, how I spoke to the woman. But I thank God that the woman understood. Like, I mean the mother, even the uncle that came, they all understood, and we settled it amicably. But Guinea, you cannot stop me from speaking my language, especially when you spoke yours first. People are fond of this. In South Africa, you see people speaking their language, but when you reply with your own language, it becomes a problem. It becomes a problem automatically. Someone had once said to me, why am I speaking Zulu to you and you speaking what I don't understand? I said, so am I also understanding the Zulu you spoke? You know, you speak your language, I spoke mine. Is this supposed to be a case? Guys, please watch this video and tell me if you like the way I settled it or not. I love you guys. Come on. So as I am trying to explain, right? As I'm trying to explain, you know, we are all different and unique in our own different ways. Just like where I'm coming from. Maybe I derive joy in speaking my language. The same way you derive joy. Okay, this is your dad? Oh, okay. Okay, you're the in-law. Yeah. All right, so what is going on here is that my daughter mistakenly stepped on her. And then she said sorry to her, but in my language. But then she is insisting that my daughter must say sorry to her in the language she's going to understand. Yeah, but sorry is sorry. She's speaking Afrikaans, quite all right. My daughter can speak Afrikaans, but when she decides to promote her culture, you must not stop her from promoting her culture. Yeah. So when you stopped her, she said, "I said sorry to you," and what I said is "ndo," which simply means sorry. And you're forcing her to speak Afrikaans to you. Okay, if I force you to speak another different language that you don't understand, would you be happy with that? No, it's not everybody should be allowed to speak their own language. I should be allowed to speak my language, you should be allowed to speak your language. And despite the fact that the colors are not the same, but we're all sisters and brothers. Yeah. You understand? We're all sisters and brothers. Okay? So next time when somebody does something to you and apologize, just forgive and let it go. Okay, so can you both just hug it out? It's not a big deal. Yes, that is it. And peace will return. Eh? Okay, ma'am, thank you for your understanding. Thank you, sir. Thank you, my love. Thank you. So,